Hi everyone, welcome to eVidya Bag channel. Today we are going to discuss about socialization process. Till now we have seen about, in the last chapter we have seen about influence of heredity and environment. Today we are going to discuss about socialization process in the child. Okay, it is very important thing in the child development and pedagogy. This is the one of the topic. Let's move to concept of socialization. What mean by concept of socialization? What mean by socialization? Actually, it is nothing but society movement. Socialization is nothing but society movement. Okay, the child who follows the society rules and regulation. If a person lived in one place, he should follow those values, customs, and ideologies, those norms at that place. Okay, means for example, if a one person lived in a home and he follows those rules and regulation, definitely if he is in the school, definitely he must to follow the rules and regulations of that school. And definitely that it is a some sociologist scholar says that this is a lifelong process. Many scholars says that this is the lifelong process, and it is inheriting and passing on the norms. It is inhibits the norms and regulations of that particular society. Okay, next, it is a process by which children and adults learn from others. It is a process by which it learns from others. Okay, learning from others start from the earliest days of the life, and the majority of people continue social learning throughout their lives. However, some of the most important socialization occurs in infanthood, right? Yes, in the infanthood, in the childhood only, the socialization is very important. Some important characters are build up in the children. In the particular infanthood, the child performs its unique and effective role in society when it is appropriately socialized. Yes. So let's move to some social. If you see the sociologist, that is the person name is J.J. Masinowski. J.J. Masionis, the lifelong process. He says that this is the lifelong process. Who says this is the lifelong process? Masionis or Macchionis says that it is the lifelong process in which learning process become proper member of learning process becomes the proper member of society and develops human characteristics. He told that in this way. If you move to P.B. Horton and C.L. Hunt, he says that it is learning by group interaction. The particular person, these two person, P.B. Horton and C.L. Hunt, said that it is learning by group interaction. Learn socialization by group interaction. They learn from the society and also develops themselves. W.F. Ogburn says that learning of norms of group and society. He says that uh, W.F. Ogburn says that it is the learning of the norms by group and the society. According to R.M.C. McClever says that process which develop relationship. He says that the process which develops. Okay, next, if you move to types of socialization, what are the types of socialization? Here we have primary socialization, secondary socialization. It is a very important for children. Primary socialization is a very important for children for future social movement. This primary socialization is the base for everything. Okay, it is the base for the future socialization. Primary social, what mean by primary socialization means it is influenced by family and the friends, immediate family and the friends. In primary socialization, they learned values, actions, culture from particular family and the friends. If you move to secondary, with this socialization, children learn the behavior as a member of a smaller group within larger society. They learn from the smaller group from the larger means here larger society means here it is a world. Okay, world is nothing but larger society. He cannot move throughout the world. Okay, in the secondary socialization, just he learn from the small group which is surrounded by him. Okay, this is the other than immediate from not a family members. In the primary socialization, there is a family and immediate friends, whereas in the secondary socialization other than family members are there. This is usually associated with teenagers as well as adults. Outside the home, it is this socialization occurs. Nothing but example, schools and colleges. Okay, if you move to schools or colleges, the children must follow their rules and regulation in the schools and the colleges. Next topic is factors influencing the socialization. In the next session we will see about the factors influencing the socialization.